Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss another session of mathematical physics in complex analysis. How to find the analytic function if real part is given. In the last lecture we have seen if you have a complex function f of z, right, that is in the form u plus iv. Suppose you have given this real part or this imaginary part. If real part is given, you can find out this entire complex function, that is u plus iv, and later we will discuss if imaginary part v is given, then also we can find this f of z. So first of all we can start with how can we solve the analytic function if real part is given. Okay, so here the method we are using is we know the complex function f of z is that is equal to u plus iv. So from it we will find this f dash z, that is dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Now this by Cauchy-Riemann condition we know dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. So I am substituting that the Cauchy-Riemann condition which we have studied in the last class, that is equal to I into minus this I can write as minus dou u by dou y. So f dash z we will find out first, that is dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y, right. So here we removed this imaginary part and we will convert the entire the function differential of the complex function to real parts in terms of real part u only. Okay, this is u. Okay, now if once you get f dash z, then we can substitute x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 in the f dash z expression, and to get this f z, our aim is to find f of z. You can integrate this f dash z. That is the method we are going to practice here. Okay, so let us do one problem, then you will get more idea about this. Okay, so let us start with one problem. See, here the question is calculate the analytic function given the real part. Real part is given, that is u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square. Okay, so let me go to the blackboard, right. So as we have given, we know our f of z is equal to u plus iv, right. So we want to find this complex function corresponding to this real part u. Okay, here u that is given x cube minus 3xy square. What is f dash z? That is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Now by Cauchy-Riemann's condition we can convert this dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. Okay, now from it I can find out dou u by dou x, and dou u by dou x is equal to 3x square minus 3y square, right. What is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y I can find out from this, that is with respect to y this will be 0 and minus 6xy, right. Y square on doing 2y, 3x is a constant, so minus 6xy, right. So if I am substituting those values here, f dash z is equal to dou u by dou x, that is 3x square minus 3y square minus I into what is dou u by dou y, that is minus 6xy, that is, so this become plus. Now I can substitute x is equal to z and then y is equal to 0. So when I am substituting f dash z is equal to 3z square, all y term will be 0, so remaining terms all are 0. Now to find f of z, our aim is to find the complex function f of z. You can integrate either side. If I am integrating either side, what I get, this f of z is equal to integral 3z square by 3z square dz, that is I can write as z cube by z cube plus c, right. So z cube plus c. So the complex function f of z is z cube plus c. Okay, so let me go to the main board and check the answer. Okay, so yes, the answer is z cube plus c. Now there we have done the problem. When real part is given, we can find the complex function. And now we are going to discuss the analytic function if imaginary part is given. Okay, so here we can apply the same method. Okay, first of all we will write our f of z as u plus iv, right? First of all we will write our function f of z as u plus iv. Then we will do f dash z as we have done, that is dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Now here we are focusing on the imaginary part v, so we have to change this dou u by dou x in terms of v. So I can write f dash z as, that is equal to, what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is that is dou v by dou y. By Cauchy-Riemann's condition we can write this as dou v by dou y plus I dou v by dou x. Now I can substitute x is equal to z when y is equal to 0. Then by integrating this f dash z, I can find f of z. That is the method we are going to apply here. Okay, the same format what we have done in the previous section. Okay, now let us do one problem, then you will get more idea. Okay, so let us come to the problem. See, so here you have a question. The imaginary part is given. Okay, the imaginary part that is given as v is equal to x square, y square minus x square. Okay, y square minus x square. So we want to find the complex function f of z. So let me go to the blackboard again. So from it I can find out dou v by dou x, and that is 2y, dou v by dou y, that is minus 2x. Okay, so these are the needed quantities. Now we want to find f of z. F of z is equal to u plus iv, right? So what is f dash z? F dash is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou y. Okay, dou v by this dou x. Okay, now by Cauchy-Riemann equation you can transfer this. Okay, we can change this. This is by Cauchy-Riemann condition, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y plus I dou v by dou x, right? What is dou v by dou y? That is minus 2x. So f dash z is equal to dou v by dou y, that is minus 2x plus I into what is dou v by dou x, that is 2y. Okay, now I can give x is equal to z when y is equal to 0. So I can write this as f dash z as when I am giving x is equal to z, that is minus 2z, right? That is minus 2z, right? So let me use the same color, minus 2z, right? Now what is f of z? F of z is equal to integral of this, integral minus 2z dz, that is minus 2 you can take out, that is minus 2 into z square by 2, that is minus z square plus c, minus z square plus c. Okay, so this will be the answer. So let me go to the main board, so and check the answer. So we got minus I z square. So we have a problem with this. Okay, y is equal to 0, we have given x is equal to z, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, that is minus 2x, right? Oh, here is the problem. Dou v by dou y is equal to, that is minus 2y, right? Dou v by dou x is minus 2x. So here the result is so this is 2x minus 2x, and this is minus This is 2y, right? So when I am substituting this, we have a problem here, that is dou v by dou x, that is minus 2x, and here I can give this 2y, and y is equal to 0 means, so here I will get minus I2 into z, x is equal to z. So again integrate this, minus I can take out, so minus I2 is z, that is minus 2 into z square by 2, right? That is z square by 2, so we have one more I. Okay, so 2 to cancel, so minus I is z square plus c, minus I is z square plus c, right? So this will be the answer. Okay, so again that is minus I z square plus c. So here the differentiation with respect to dou v by dou x, here I'm really sorry. Okay, so in the next section we will do more problem based on this. Okay, thank you.